Hello dears, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Fardaus Sahel. In this video with Affinity, I'm going to show you how to enable transform origin for your object. First, we need an object, which is this shape. You can draw from here. To enable that, we need to click in this toolbar, which is Shape Tool Settings. With object handling, here is this Enable Transform Origin. Let's click. So now the transform origin is enabled, which we can place it right here and can rotate it like this. And if I place the origin to this point, now if I rotate, it's going to start from that point. Let's put this here and try to rotate this. So this is how it works. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to the channel. Take care and goodbye.